Hello, beautiful people. It's Nita. Happy Wednesday. In today's vlog, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some behind the scenes of how I create content. So if you've ever wondered, how I edit, how I set up, what lighting and all that I'm using, we're just going to take you guys through the whole process. So if you're interested, stick around. Excuse my hair. We're going to get right in a minute. Also, I just wanted to say this stuff over here, I'm donating these clothes. And right now, the place that I normally donate is not accepting donations due to COVID and stuff. So they've just been sitting by the door until they open back up to accept donations. But that's what that stuff is. I don't have trash just sitting. That stuff is going to be donated. There's a local women and children's shelter that I like to donate to because I know it's going to a good cause. So that's what that stuff is. It's not trash. All right, so first things first, I gotta get cute because I am filming today. I'm doing a try-on haul and then I'm doing this one. These are my 2 videos for the week. Excuse y'all, it's just stuff everywhere. So, yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower real quick. I already washed my face and brushed my teeth because I just got home from taking Jada to school and we got some coffee and donuts. She wanted donuts this morning, so I got that for her. Give her some sugar before I send her to school. That's horrible. But anyway, let me go ahead and hop in the shower and then I'll pop back in with you guys. All right, you guys, just got out of the shower, feeling all fresh, put a little bit of body oil on. And as I was showering, I remembered that I needed to shave because today's haul is all about sundresses. So I needed to make sure that my underarms and legs were together. And I want to share with you guys the new razor that I used. Oh, it's a little bit wet, but I use the Billie Razor. Now, what I love about this razor is that it glides on super smooth. I don't have any issues with nicking and cutting, and I'm left feeling super smooth like a baby's bottom. Now, I'm very particular about the razors that I use, especially under my arms, because if you didn't know, I had an arm lift about 4 years ago, and under this arm, I have this little tag area here, and I haven't gotten it fixed yet. So I'm very particular when I shave under my arms. Around my scar, it's a little bit sensitive, and I want to make sure that I don't nick myself over this. So I need something that I can glide over my skin and make sure that I don't cut myself. And on top of that, I want to be left super smooth because this is summertime, honey. We don't want no stubble. So I love that the Billie Razor does that for me. I don't have to worry about nicking myself or, my sensitive area over my scar. It just glides right over that, super smooth. No issues with nicking and cutting. No issues with anything, honey. I mean, look at that. So this is I don't want to call it a subscription service, but it's kind of like that. So you get your starter kit. It is $9 and you get the razor. It does have a magnet that goes in your shower for you to just pop your razor on. It's magnetic. It doesn't have like the little thing that hangs. You just literally throw it on there and it sticks. I love that. And it does come, they have a few different colors on the website. You can pick what you want. I chose coral because I just feel like it was super cute. But yeah, what I love about this razor more than anything is just that it glides on super smooth, and I don't have any issues when I'm going over my scar under my arm. I don't have any issues with this area nicking and cutting because I have had that experience in the past. So I'm just really sensitive when it comes to shaving under my arms, and this does the trick for me. So make sure you check the description box below and get you a Billie Razor. Summertime is coming up and we need smooth skin, honey, and this is going to do it for you. All right, you guys, so I started on my makeup, about to do makeup and hair. That's the next step of getting glam to record my videos. So yeah, I went ahead and started. I was on the phone, but when I'm getting ready, I always listen to some music just to kind of get myself in the mood, get my mood uplifted, get pumped. And then I also pray. I always pray before I record, just that God helps me to do a great job on the video, to make sure that my energy is good. I can't find this brush I'm looking for, but yeah, to make sure that my energy is good. I feel like God blessed me with my platform, and I just do my best to glorify God in everything that I do because He is the reason for my success in everything, and I just always want to make sure that I keep Him first in everything. So I make sure that I pray, and yeah, just put on some music to make sure that I'm uplifted, in a good mood, so that I can give good energy to you guys when I am putting out the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead, finish my hair and makeup. Those are my wigs tacked to the wall back there. But yeah, finish my hair and makeup, and then I'll come back and show you guys my setup in the rest of the process of getting ready. makeup is finished. This is not the lip that I want, but I cannot find my pinkish nude. I'm gonna try to find it, thinking it might be in a purse or something, but if not, then I'll stick to this nude, but I won't. Anyway, let me show you guys. So today I am recording, I don't know why I didn't turn this around, but today I'm recording a Reb Dolls Trial haul. By the time this goes up, you would have already seen it because it's going to go live, I think, tomorrow. So they sent me over some pieces to do a haul video. So I'm all shaved up and glistened up. Hair and makeup is done. These clothes, I also pull clothes that I want to shoot in. So now, over the last few weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks, I started working with a photographer because I find it best for me to just focus on me when it comes to pictures and letting someone else take my pictures. So my sister was helping me here and there, but I was taking it myself. But now I'm working with a photographer. So I shoot every other Sunday morning. And so I always just kind of pull clothes through the week, just kind of figuring out what I want to do when I shoot on the weekend. So that's what this is. It's coming off the rack so I can get ready to film this video. I also went ahead and steamed the clothes last night. That is very time consuming. So I try to steam my clothes if I'm going to steam them. Sometimes I don't. But yeah, these are dresses and they were very wrinkled. You know, they were all like folded up. So I went ahead and steamed them last night. If you're interested, I'll link my little steamer. It's just like I'll show y'all. It's just this really small steamer, nothing major at all, but I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. You can use a traditional iron, but I hate ironing, so I just prefer to steam, and it's just easier. I hang the garment up, steam it, use it for my curtains too. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the room set up so I can show you guys my setup and how I prepare to film. Gonna start here showing you guys just kind of the setup of my room, how I film and record. So I took the extra clothes off of the rack and I just put them on the chair that was in here and scooped that out to the hall because I don't have space for it. This room is not that big. I will have links to literally everything in the description box below. Everything in here came from Amazon. Literally everything. The plant, the lights, this mirror, curtains, everything's from Amazon. So this lighting setup I did find off of YouTube. I just looked up best lighting for YouTube videos and I came across, I think they call this the 3-point lighting system. Again, I'm not sure. I'm not really tech savvy, y'all. I look up everything on Google and YouTube and I just play around to find what works best. So this will actually be my first time trying this lighting setup today. So I have this light here, which is a ring light I've had forever. If you don't know, my background is hair and makeup. So I've had a few ring lights and I've used this ever since I've started. I started out using a ring light and I had 2 softbox lights. Excuse my nails, y'all. But I started out using a ring light and 2 softbox lights. But when I started filming in this room, because when I first started, I was in the living room and I would move all of my furniture out of the way and record against the wall. As I've continued, I just turned this room into my filming room, a spare room that I used to use to make wigs in, and now I film in here. But I use 2 big softbox lights, and if you know anything about softbox lights, you know that they are huge. So I traded those in for these LED lights that I read great reviews about, and I saw a lot about LED lights on YouTube, so I ordered a couple. Again, I will have them linked down below. Everything will be linked in the description box. Just be mindful when you're ordering these LED lights, the light itself, let me turn one off so you can kind of see, hold on, because they're really bright. But you see just how much light how bright that one light is. These are really, really bright. But the light itself, this piece comes by itself. It literally does not come with a battery pack or a power cord or nothing. They just send the light by itself, which is really ridiculous to me. So you have to buy the light. You have to buy this neck thing so that you can angle the light if you want to. If not, it'll just stand straight up. And then you have to buy the tripod separately. So just be mindful. I will have everything linked, but make sure if you want this light that you get all of the pieces, especially the power cord, because if not, if you just order the light, it will not come with anything else. Okay, my wig's back here. But yeah, so I have these 3 lights, the 2 LED lights and this one, and then camera setup here, and then I have this tripod that I use to hold my phone because I take all of my thumbnail pictures on my phone. So I usually just have my phone here, and when I'm done filming, I just use my clicker. Let me show you guys. So this tripod stand comes with a clicker that you pair Bluetooth to your phone, and that's how you take your pictures. I use this for my reels. I use this when I take my pictures all the time. I just set my phone up and use the clicker and take your pictures. So that's how I do my thumbnail pictures, and that's how I record my reels as well. And then with my camera, I pair my camera Bluetooth to my computer and use it as a monitor. So the camera that I have is a Canon SL2, and then the mic is a Ceramonic mic. I've had this camera for a while. I think I got it from Best Buy, but I got the mic from Amazon, the tripod from Amazon. Like I said, almost everything is literally from Amazon. So again, I will have links to everything in the description box below, but I really want to encourage you guys. Let me turn this around. But I really want to encourage you guys to use what you have. I've only been using this equipment, like the camera, for the past 3 months or so. Before, like I said, I was recording in my living room and I used my phone, which is what I'm recording this on now. I'm using my iPhone. I think I have an 11. Yeah, using my iPhone 11. The best thing I can say if you want to invest in anything is to invest in some great lighting. Lighting makes a world of a difference. Like I said, this will be my first time using this lighting, but even with this camera, I've really realized the importance of lighting. So I will say, if you're going to buy anything, buy some lights or just use natural lighting. If you can't afford anything, use natural lighting. Get in front of a window, go outside if you can, and record that way. But please don't feel like you have to run out and get a camera to do YouTube videos or to create content, because you don't. You can just use your iPhone, and that's what I did for the longest of time. Just want to put that out there. Did I show you guys this? I think I did, right? Anyway, gonna go ahead and get started recording, and then I'll pop back in with you guys to check in later. All right, you guys, so here is the first dress, and I absolutely love it. Y'all know I love feminine things, and so this little situation here just makes me happy. All right, so let's get into the details of the dress. I will so I just finished the video, so now I'm going to go outside and record the reel. So I'll be using my phone to do the reel, so I won't be able to show you guys the setup, but I'll tell y'all what I do. So the same tripod that I use to hold my phone to do my thumbnails when I record my videos, the same tripod I use to do my reels. As I told you guys, it comes with a clicker. Now, this is not the clicker that the tripod came with. I accidentally threw that one away, so I ordered this one separately. You can find them on Amazon. I just typed in iPod wireless remote and iPhone remote, and it came up on Amazon, ordered it. So I set my phone up on my tripod wherever I am. I'm going outside, so I'm going to set it up on my phone, and I just use the remote to use this little clicker to start and stop my video, or you use this to click and take your pictures, so you don't have to use a timer. It's much harder using a timer and going back and forth. Honey, just get a clicker. If you don't have one, you need one. So I'm going to go ahead and do my reel so I can wrap this up because I'm oily and I'm hungry. All right, you guys, so I just got back in from recording my reel outside. I will insert a little snippet somewhere in here. I'm sure it's already up by now by the time this video goes out. But yeah, very simple reel, just walking, because I just had one, I didn't have any outfit changes or anything to do today. And y'all, these wigs are really tripping me out in the background. But this is where the desk is today. So anyway, so now we have to edit videos, create thumbnails, link everything, and get it submitted to, one of them have to be submitted to the brand, the other one does not. So yeah, that's the next step, and that can take anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, just depending on the video. These videos today shouldn't take as long, maybe an hour, hour and a half each. This will probably take an hour and a half, maybe two, because vlogs are a little bit longer, but this is only my second one, so I don't know. Anyhow, oh, I edit using iMovie on my computer. I'm not tech savvy, so it's easy for me to use. I already had the app on my computer, so very easy. I edit my reels on my phone using InShot, INSHOT. I believe it's available on Android as well, but I'm not quite sure. And then, excuse me, I edit my reels on my phone. Sorry, I'm so hungry. I'm eating one of Jada's Lunchables, honey. But I edit my reels on my phone using, what did I say? I edit my reels using InShot, and I edit my thumbnails using Canva. I create my thumbnails using Canva, canva.com. They also have an app, but I just prefer to see it on my computer screen because I need glasses and I don't like wearing them. I'm so hungry. But anyway, that's it for today. Comment down below and let me know if you guys found this helpful. I like watching behind the scenes videos and kind of seeing how people do stuff. And I just thought it'd be neat to do one for you guys. And then, like I said, I've gotten a lot of questions about how I do, what equipment I use, and all of that kind of stuff. So I'll have everything linked in the description box down below for you guys. And I am so sorry, I'm hungry. But I always say, start with what you have. Start with what you have, which is what I do. Even now, I'm recording on my phone. You don't have to have a fancy camera. You don't have to have fancy lighting. Use your natural lighting, use your phone, and just get it done. And learn as you go, because that's what I've been doing. I Google and YouTube a lot of stuff to kind of figure things out. And I just piece it together as I go. So you guys have seen my, videos that wasn't the best quality, still ain't the greatest quality because I'm figuring things out as I go. But guess what? I still post it, I still do it, and we're gonna upgrade together. Y'all gonna see the glow up, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a happy Sunday.